Thank you very much. So on behalf of the Slovene Enterprise Fund, I would like to welcome all of you. It is indeed a great pleasure to have you here in Maribor at the occasion of this very important subject, how to build successful and global startups. Slovene Enterprise Fund, just a moment, just to show you. Okay. So Slovene Entreprise Fund is a national institution for the support of SMEs, and right now we have around €500 million of active financial investments in SMEs. Most of them are guarantees and loans, and what means more than 3,000 active projects. And each year approximately we support another 700 new projects in amount of €100 million. But of course, as all others, also a few years ago, we started to warn that there is a decrease of creation of new innovative companies in Slovenia. Therefore, in 2006, together with the Ministry of the Economy, we started to support our young companies with first financial line for startups, startup grants, and since then, each year around 40 new innovative companies get a startup grant in amount of €74,000 in 3 tranches, and more than 400 new companies with global potential, which is based mostly on their own knowledge, have been supported since then, and we are also quite satisfied with the results, because more than 400 new jobs were created, and also their value added per employee increased drastically. But we know that for the fast growth, which would provide entry into global market, seed capital or grants are not enough. We all know that in this phase the most appropriate source is seed capital, is equity, but unfortunately Slovenia is also at the end on the scale of the countries with developed venture capital. The position of seed capital is even worse. There is almost no private investors or business angels who would be willing to invest in innovative startup. And also friends, fools and family approach is not usual for our culture. So our startups have started to look for seed capital abroad, and this is of course not good for our economy. Therefore today I'm very pleased to announce that in next 2 weeks we will publish another second financial line for startups, seed capital. And this financial line is the results of the synergy among Ministry of the Economy, startup ecosystem composed with public and private representatives and our fund. It's also an upgrade of startup grants, fully consistent with global trends and practices of the best accelerators from Europe, and 2 different seed financial products are included. First one is convertible loan in amount of €50,000 for a company, for really company in the phase of pure beginning. But SAFE will not offer only money to these companies, but so-called smart money. That means that each supported company will get also the support in the form of effective startup coaching program with the best foreign and domestic mentors and trainers and the experts from the incubators and technology parks in Slovenia, which cooperates in the startup initiative. So this program has to lead and manage supported startups to fast confirmation of business idea on the market. The second product in this seed line is classic equity investment in amount of €200,000 per company, and is meant for companies which have already proven their business idea on the market, but they still need additional money for fast growth and globalization. SAFE will be a direct investor in these new companies with innovative potential, of course, but only under condition that also private specialized investors like business angels or maybe others is prepared to invest in company too. So also these companies will receive a support coach program for global growth, which will be focused more on the creation of professional organization structure and on the expansion on the foreign markets. And this is new financial line which is available for our new startups. And we are quite satisfied that we have been able to create it. But I have to remember you that the support doesn't end on this level. Since 2010, SAFE, as a financial institution, has been involved in public-private partnership with 5 venture capital funds too. They can invest up to 1.5 million euro of venture capital in fast-growing companies, so in the next stage, after the seed capital. And 18 million euro of public-private venture capital have been invested in quite most innovative and fast-growing companies since then, and around 15 million euro are still available till the end of 2015. So, as you can see, in our startup ecosystem, a growing and innovative startup company can obtain 324,000 euro of different financial support in seed phase, and in the phase of high growth, additional 1.5 million euro of venture capital per year. And we mustn't forget, of course, on the coaching and training programs for all of them. So, our long-term comprehensive support is focused on the entrepreneurial talents from Slovenia and from abroad. And we hope that they will stay here. And we would like to create with all this startup ecosystem a prominent international startup hub in Slovenia. And I believe that we all will be successful with this project. So thank you for this first attention. All additional information about our financial support is available at our website and also at our info point here in these 2 days. We are here, our representatives are here, and we can give you all detailed information about it. Thank you.